In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move conversation in Slack Workspace. If your Slack sidebar is getting a little crowded, moving a conversation to the right place can make a big difference. We'll use Slack's built-in Move Channel option to keep things tidy and easy to scan. This process adjusts how your sidebar is organized for you, without changing who's in the channel or what anyone else sees. First, open Slack and go to the specific channel you want to organize. Click the channel in your sidebar so it's active on your screen. This ensures you're working with the correct space and brings up the channel's header controls at the top of the window. Next, look to the upper right corner of the channel header for the three-dot More Actions icon. Click it to open the channel menu. This menu is your hub for channel-level tools, and it's where Slack tucks away helpful organization options. In that menu, find the option labeled Move Channel. Hover your mouse over it to reveal the destinations available. What you'll see here are the sections from your own sidebar, such as categories you've created for teams, projects, or priorities. Sections are collapsible groups that help you cluster conversations in a way that fits your workflow. Now choose where you want the channel to live. Click the section that best matches the purpose of this conversation. Maybe a project group, a department cluster, or a priority area. The channel will immediately shift into that section in your sidebar. Nothing in the channel's content changes, and other members aren't affected. You're simply reorganizing your personal view. If none of your existing sections are a good fit, select Create New Section from the same Move Channel area. Give the new section a clear, short name that makes sense at a glance, like Q2 Launch or Support Triage. A descriptive name helps you scan quickly and reduces context switching. Confirm to create it, and Slack will place the channel into this new section right away. You can always add more channels to that section later using the same Move Channel option. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep related channels together to minimize hunting and pecking, and don't hesitate to collapse sections you don't need in view all the time. If you work across time zones or projects, consider sections that mirror your daily priorities so the most important conversations stay at the top of your sidebar. That's it. Open the channel, use the three dots, hover on Move Channel, then pick a section or create a new one. Clean, simple,